Welcome back to Costume Kids. This is the good stuff, I promise. Yeah! Welcome back to Costume Kids. Today we're making slime.
Whoa!
Putting the water in the glue. Now I put borax in water.
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna get 2 of these. But first we're gonna mix this up. It's gooey. Ew, that's disgusting. Alright, now we're gonna add the water and borax. I'm gonna mix it up. Is that good? Now we're gonna add in some red. Food coloring, of course. Or will it be red slime?
Use your hands and mix it up.
Ew, I'll use this.
Ew, you don't want to use your hands?
Why? It's liquid. I think I need a little more of this. Ew, it looks like blood. Ew. What is it? Ew.
Ew. Okay, mix it all up. Mix it all up with your hands.
Well, eventually it will be red slime, right?
Yeah, but you gotta mix it all up. It's gonna take a little while.
How many whiles? Ew, it looks like inside someone's body. Ew, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's direct. Slime. No, it's slime. When will it be slime?
I don't know if we did this right.
Did we?
I don't know.
No!
I think we need to try again.
How we try again?
With more glue.
Hey guys, what order should we do it this time? Okay, we're gonna add the water first. Is it gooey? Ew, it feels gooey. Yuck, right?
I don't know. Is that yuck?
Yeah. It's gooey.
Keep mixing.
Look good?
I like your watch.
Thank you.
Is it all mixed?
Yep. I need a towel. Yeah, it's gooey, right?
That's not the good stuff.
That's the best stuff. And that's the best to put it in that yucky, sticky. Uh-oh, a teaspoon!
Yep, add the borax into the water. Oh!
Oh! What was that?
I think we need another thing of water.
First, we have to add food coloring.
Yeah, very nice. Is red your favorite color?
All the colors except for dark green.
Except for dark green?
It's the best stuff, right?
I guess so. All right, so now what's next?
I don't know. Now we're gonna add the borax into the hot water.
All right, mix it up.
Yeah! Now we're gonna pour it into our glue.
All right, now we're gonna mix it up, right?
With your hands?
Yep, with your hands.
Ew. It's gooey.
Mix.
Ew, right?
How does it feel?
Yucky.
Yeah? Whoa!
I'm electrocuting. Guys, I am Darth Vader. I'm burned by the lava. Ugh. Is this good? Why do I gotta keep mixing until there's no more water? Is it slime yet?
Adam!
Is it
Adam wants to come out. This one was a little too intense for him, though.
There is no more water, isn't there?
I don't know, is there?
No.
Whoa, that's pretty slimy.
Is it slime?
What do you think?
Yeah. Is it slime? Is it slime yet? Not yet.
I don't know.
What do you guys think? Ew, it's gooey, yucky, get it? Oh, I'm Han Solo frozen carbonite.
You're frozen in carbonite.
Yeah, this is carbonite, isn't it? Well, it's slime. Guys, look at this. Is the water all gone? The slime's done, right?
Yeah.
This slime? The other one wasn't slime, right?
No, but this one worked, huh?
Yeah. It turned into real slime? It's like Jabba the Hutt.
He's slimy.
He's slimy? You guys watch this. Oh boy, it's breaking. Ew, it fell into the sand.
Oh no.
The sand's destroyed.
Yeah, the slime's all sandy now. What are you doing? Trying to clean it?
Yeah. It's a you. Oh boy, oh that's okay. It wasn't in the sand. Uh-oh, it's really slimy. It's like Jabba the Hutt. Is it like Zero the Hutt too?
Maybe.
Is it like Gardula the Hutt?
Gardula the Hutt? Maybe.
Is there any more huts?
Jabba the Hutt's a little boy.
Yeah. Is there any more? Superpowers. Ew. How much can I stretch it?
Let's see.
Oh. Will it get stretched or no? How much?
Wow.
How much can it stretch? Not that much, right?
Not that much.
Can it stretch?
Oh, it's stretching, it's stretching. It's stretching.
What does it remind of? Jabba the Hutt.
Jabba the Hutt.
Look it, you gooey. I turned Jabba the Hutt into slime.
Whoa, you did?
Yeah. Can you not see anymore? No, he's slime. Should I turn him back into Jabba the Hutt? Oh no, he's a bad guy. I'm not gonna turn him back into Jabba the Hutt. He's slime now. You can stick your finger through Jabba the Hutt now, right?
I guess so.
Here we go. Jabba the Hutt. Oh. How much does this stretch?
Oh, that's a lot.
Is that a lot of slime? Is it slime?
You want to see how far it can stretch?
How far? I just showed you.
Let's try something, okay?
Okay, so guys, I am gonna get up here and see if it can stretch to the floor.
Whoa.
How cool would that be?
Pretty cool.
Girl stuff. Yeah, that's the bad stuff.
That is the bad stuff.
That's
Careful.
not the good stuff. Okay, help me. Stretch?
Oh,
It's not
no.
stretching. I'm scared to take off all in the sand. Try to get up.
If you want to. Do you give up?
Yeah, I give up.
Okay.
Ow, it's got on the plants. Oh, it's good. When it gets on the plants, it's a leafy
Oh,
tongue.
no.
It's like a leafy tonguey.
It's really sticky.
Yeah, it's the sticky bad stuff. And the sippy bud stuff.
Oh, I got some.
No, give me that.
Okay.
Whoa. Ah! Is this real slime? Can you only play with it one time? How many times can you play with it?
I don't know.
But eventually it probably turns back into the ingredients, right?
I don't think so.
Does it stay gooey forever?
Yeah,
It does?
I think so. It's going down, it's going down!
Is it going really down? Ew, my hand. Yuck, right?
Yeah.
Ew, when I got on my watch. Uh-oh. Should I go down to the table? Let's set my slime down and get all the slime off. Ew!
Is it all sandy? Let me see.
Let me get sand ground. Let me get so sucky and butt. Six bazy boo.
Whoa, look what happened to it.
To what?
To the slime.
What happened?
Whoa.
Is that Jello?
Parece que sí.
Yeah, Jello. Now it's
Jello.
yeah. I turned it into Jello with my magic.
Whoa, you are magical.
Is it Jello? Is it?
I don't think so.
What does it look like, Bougie Babe? Ew, what's this?
Slime.
Ew, it's stuck. Can you help me get this off?
You don't want to set it down anymore.
Why?
I think it sticks to everything.
Can we put it in container?
Yep, we can put it in a container.
Ew, it's on my tie. Can we ever clean that all the way? Can
Everybody.
we set this on the couch?
No, do not set it on the couch. Always listen to mommy and daddy where to put it, okay?
Okay, where should I put this?
In a container.
But it would have to be a really big one.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. Woo! Hold on, wait. Oh, guys. Oh. Jabba the Hutt? Yeah, should I turn him back into Jabba the Hutt?
If you want.
I don't want to. Should I turn him into blinds? I sent it into blinds. Look, there's blinds in the house.
There's blinds.
I turned him into blinds, and now I turned his head into slime. What was that? Look like it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at this. Thanks for watching. Costume Kids Toys. Press thumbs up if you liked. See you next time. Press the container slime if you didn't like it. Press slime if you liked. See you next time. That's the good stuff.